The liver plays a crucial role in our overall health, acting as a filter for toxins and a producer of essential substances like bile. Maintaining a healthy liver is vital for optimal functioning. And one of the best ways to support liver health is through diet. Here are 5 top foods that can help cleanse your liver naturally. 1. Garlic. Garlic is not only a flavorful addition to many dishes, but also a powerful ally for liver health. It contains compounds such as allicin and selenium, which have been shown to activate liver enzymes that help flush out toxins. Additionally, garlic has anti-inflammatory properties and can support the liver's detoxification process. Incorporating raw or cooked garlic into your meals can provide these beneficial effects while enhancing the flavor of your dishes. 2. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula are packed with nutrients and antioxidants that are essential for liver health. These vegetables are rich in chlorophyll, which helps to absorb toxins and neutralize heavy metals. Furthermore, leafy greens can help increase bile production, aiding in the digestion and elimination of fats. Regularly adding a variety of leafy greens to your salads, smoothies, or as side dishes can significantly improve your liver's ability to detoxify. 3. Beetroot. Beetroot is a vibrant root vegetable known for its liver-supporting properties. It is high in betalains, which are antioxidants that reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the liver. Beetroot also contributes to improved blood flow and oxygenation, which can enhance liver function. Consuming beet juice or adding cooked beetroot to salads and smoothies is a delicious way to incorporate this liver-friendly food into your diet. 4. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that has gained popularity for its numerous health benefits, particularly due to its active compound, curcumin. Curcumin has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help protect the liver from damage. It also promotes the production of bile, further aiding in the detoxification process. You can easily add turmeric to your meals, whether in curries, soups, or even golden milk, to enjoy its liver cleansing benefits. 5. Avocado. Avocados are not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. They are rich in healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which are beneficial for liver health. Avocados also contain compounds that help the body produce glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that supports liver detoxification. Including avocados in your diet can be as simple as adding them to salads, smoothies, or on toast, making it easy to enjoy their liver cleansing properties. Conclusion: incorporating these 5 foods into your diet can significantly support your liver's natural cleansing processes. Alongside a balanced diet, staying hydrated, and engaging in regular physical activity, these foods can help maintain liver health and enhance your overall well-being. Remember, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have existing health conditions. Embrace these foods and give your liver the care it deserves.